Let's get the party started.
Nice.
Oh, that's nice.
Thank you, guys.
You're welcome.
That's nice tequila.
Dangerous, it's too delicious.
Did you do a shot with them?
No, stoked.
Yes!
Would it be okay if we had one beer up there?
They've already had a shot. That's enough.
Leaving 16 yachties together without my supervision is a bit terrifying.
Oh my God, I love it.
I can't believe you guys are jumping.
There's gonna be another one on your side. Oh, that's me.
I don't want to end the season with a drunken orgy.
They're guests, we're crew.
Girls, you can come up. Come.
Okay, suck it in, girl.
We're hype girls. We're making everybody have fun. That is our job, I think.
There we go.
I haven't really been given a full description. I was just told to dress up, so I did.
Okay, go.
Sorry, I'm not dressed up.
I thought they were going to be hard work, but these guests are really cool. So, like, please, thank you, and they appreciate everything you're doing for them. It makes our life easier. I feel half like a guest with these guys on board.
Yeah,
I think I just fell in love.
My last dinner, couldn't you believe it?
Feels crazy that it's all over.
Yeah, like I just was like so real.
There you go. Party.
Yeah, I do.
Gonna speak, so I'm just gonna speak.
Hello.
Hey!
Come up. You're gonna have a drink.
Oh my God.
It's the last night of season. I can't believe this. It went so fast. Actually, yeah, because it's like we've become a good, like, little family. Tomorrow night I'm getting fussed again. Can't wait.
We had our boys dress up like mermaids the other day.
So it's our turn now.
So you can make the boys do things tonight.
Glenn's like supervising us.
Well, I know you guys too well.
Are you guys finished work now, or what?
We're never finished working for you.
This is a proper school now.
Where my good cheese? Where my good cheese?
You gonna come cover for a little bit?
No.
Yeah.
I feel like it's imperative that I tell Ali what I know.
She's hurt me so badly, like playing with my feelings. You're gonna pump in here.
Gary told me he was gonna her just to, like, get her attention.
It's so dark and so twisted, but this is way too delicate. Timing is key. At the end of the day, we have a job to get done.
So I want to put some clothes on. Yeah, something's falling in my butt.
It's cold.
Are you guys finished up there?
Yes. Oh. Cool. Gross.
Take a photo.
Not about it.